Hello everyone. So today we will see the next topic is called analyzing the ranking factors. So what is called analyzing the ranking factors? So ranking of a site is affected by many factors. Some of the factors can be given as they are listed below. Because you have put your web pages, you have put your website. So at that time ranking of a site is more important. If the ranking is higher, then you will got the higher result, higher ranking. And if the ranking is higher, then it will display on a search engine result as first position, second position, third position. So that's why the ranking is very important to any web pages or a website or any companies. So here we will see what are the factors which directly or indirectly affect the your website. So here we will see in examples the page level link matrix. So what is called a page level link matrix? It points to the link available on the site pages. So when the site pages are there, inside so many link is available. In previous lectures we have seen in Saurashtra University website so many links is available. So the first point is to link available on the site pages, because site pages is also an important part to the matrix. For this we also consider the number of links on a page, their importance, as well as which relevant website are they coming from. So many times the site is coming from another sources, so at that time the links of a page is important, as well as the site has given a links, number of links. So they are also important for the keyword. If in last lectures we have seen if the keyword is available on a particular anchor text, then it will generate the ranking. Domain level link authority features. The above features is based on cumulative link analysis of domain links. What is called a domain? The name of a website which has been given, like .com, .government, .in. So these are the domain level link authority. So cumulative link analysis of a domain link. Suppose if your domain link is good, name may be a keyword, your domain name may be a keyword, then it generates the higher ranking. We are considering the factors such as number of domain links to a site, trustworthiness of a domain, rate of adding incoming links, also the importance of a linking domain, and many more. So here we have seen the same example of Saurashtra University, and it will give a domain level link also. So what is called a domain level link? That means the Saurashtra University, here you will see the URL. The URL is saurashtrauniversity.edu. Suppose I will copy it and open in a notepad so that you can easily view it. Suppose I am increasing the font size so you can easily view your domain links. So this is important to the users. Suppose I will increase the font size. So here you will see the domain is edu. Same things I will go on to the Saurashtra University website and I will open the another domain link which has been provided by the Saurashtra University. I will open this all in a new tab so that we will consider the domain level link, how it will be given. So here I will copy the next website URL and paste here. Then I will open the Department of Higher Education, that means MHRD. I will open it and paste here. Then I will open the NSDL, that means the National Academic of Depository. Here you will see the National Academic of Depository. Then I will open the National Academy Depository. See here, National Academy Depository, here the same National Academy Depository as a government initiative. Both are the same website, but they may have some different. We will see later what are these things. And this is also a National Academy Depository website, NAD. Now we have opened different web links which is provided. Also we can say in simple terminology the domain links which has been provided, because Saurashtra University edu first we have opened. Then after we goes to the NAC official website. So the NAC is under the government of India, so that the domain name you will check it out, the government.india. Next, here you will see it's ac.in, academic.in. Then you will see here only in .co.in, that means country in India. Here NAD you can see the government in India. And if you do not know what is called domain, so you will directly go to the godaddy.com. You will find it out. So many domain is available. The domain is available or not. If you want to register your domain, then you can go to here, domains. Which domain you want? You can check it out, the price of the domain. If you require .org, the price is 714, including the transaction fees and XYZ, so and so things. If you require .in, 149. If you purchase, it's an offer. I will not go on to more than things. If you require .me, .online, .com, .club, .blog, .info. So these are the domain name. If you find out the new domain extension, here you will check which you require for a new domain. Register your new domain. Yes, then you can register it out. It will available. So these are the things which will gives you an information about the domain. So our topic is that the above feature is based on the cumulative link analysis of link domain. We are consider the factors such as number of domains linked to a site, trustworthiness of domain, means how your domain is trustworthiness. Say for example, if you are goes to the government in, it's a trustworthy domain. If you goes to the .com, it's a commercial domain. It's all over the world, all over the peoples are using. If you goes to the .co.in, it's available only for the India. If outside of the India, people can use, but it's more popular for the Indias. The rate of added incoming links, also the importance of linking domain and many more. So here we can say the rate of added incoming links in Saurashtra University, it is called rate of added incoming links because Saurashtra University has added this. So in Saurashtra University, if added these things, so there may have some values. Not even in Saurashtra University. If you goes to another any of the government university websites, say for example, suppose I am going to vnsgu.in, VNSGU, that means Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. and if I will open it, it will give some another links as per their requirement. See here, they have providing you different layouts, different things, students corner, facilities, department, about university. They don't require this and they are not giving. See here, quick links also they don't need, I think, so they are not providing the same things. If you go into the deep, then it will give the details more about it. So this is the things which you want to see, and it will increase your ranking factors. A page level keyword uses, it is point keyword, points to a keyword passage defined in specific section of HTML. Page level keywords, that means when you have a keywords, you want to see all the keywords of a HTML text. So this is the things which we would like to consider for that point. So now the next point is the domain level link authority features. So what is called the domain level link authority features? The above features is based on cumulative link analysis domain of links. So the same point is here considering out. So now we will move directly to the fourth point, domain level keyword uses. So it points to a keyword attached to the root and subdomain of the site. It also specifies the importance of this keyword for ranking purpose. So what is called the root domain and subdomains of the site? It also specifies importance this keyword for ranking purpose. Suppose if the things is available, then I will give you an example of it. Suppose Saurashtra, I will open the change in google.com SPCAM Jethpur, and in SPCAM Jethpur, if the available, then I will give you details what is called the subdomain. So here the URL is SPCAM Jethpur. I will paste on the Google Notepad. Then if the page is available, then it will be useful to you peoples. Otherwise I will give you a real life example on the next lectures. So where is the National Conference? Yes, so here you will see the National Conference, and I will click on the National Conference. The page is not available, so it is not possible to display you peoples. Otherwise I will give you an information of this page, how the subdomain is working. Okay, it's well and good. So now we will go to the subdomain and root domain. Root domain means you have one root domain is called SPCAM Jethpur. In SPCAM Jethpur you have developed one subfolder, subdomain. It's called spcamjethpur.org/xyz/your name. See here, one more time I will check it out. So here the spcamjethpur.org and admin. So it will not working, but I will give you a later example in practical ways in next lecture. So how the subdomain is working. So these are the keywords in which the subdomain is also specific importance for these keywords for ranking purpose. Page level social metrics. So social metrics specific links, likes and other factors which are used by the social networking website. As earlier we have seen, the social networking website is also providing this type of facilities. So this is working on these things. Domain level brand metrics, you can also use the domain level brand metrics also. So it will give you a better result for the purpose of your sharing. Then page level keyword agnostic doubting features. So this is called, what is called the page level keyword agnostic doubting features. This factor takes into account page elements such as number of links, number of interlinks, followed, unfollowed links, and many other things which may be considered for that purpose. For the page level, so many times the dubbed is there and it will perfectly not working and not giving you a proper result. Page level traffic or query data. So what is called a page level traffic or query data? So the page level traffic and query data, that means we have to consider the click-through rate of the page in search result with the bonus rate of visitors and many other similar factors. When the similar factors is available, at that time the page level traffic is also considering. Domain level keyword agnostic features. It is specific to a domain name which consider the number of hyphens in domain names, name characters, domain name and domain name length. So these are the points. Right now I will not clearing out your doubts because it's a domain level work. So when I will give you in next lectures, I will give you an examples how the domain level, how the subdomain is working, how the domain is working. I will give you a practical example so you people are understanding very well. The above factors were found by survey carried out by SEO Moz. The above factors are listed on the top of the survey. So these are the factors which directly affect the result, and it will give you a better way to understanding how your web pages is working and you will got the better result. So some of the factors which are directly negative ranking of your websites. If you analyzing the ranking factors of your website, so these are the factors which are considering for the ranking purpose. But some of the factors which are negative ranking of your website, there are many negative factors that which impact the ranking of the site. Some of them are: the first one is malware being hosted on the website. If you have put your website on the domain, at that time some of the malware are also hosted. You don't know how you have hosted or not, but some of the malwares or virus or Trojan horse has been hosted by the search engine, and search engine crawling is get this type of malware or Trojan horse or viruses. At that time it will impact your negative ranking. So search engine would stop crawling those sites contains virus or Trojan horse. When the search engine crawling algorithm is working, at that time if they find the virus or Trojan horse, then search engine crawling or do not work, they will stop and they will impact the negative ranking of your website. This would be penalized by the search engine. The crawling is also informed to the search engine that this site has Trojan horse or virus, then it will be penalized to the search engine. The second things, if the clocking, if the content view by the user and search engine changes, then search engine would not consider those sites. If you have the content, if you have given an about us, mission and vision, and you repeatedly changes out. See here, we have here in this example, suppose you have a mission, this is your mission. Suppose if you have a from the precedent days, so these are the precedent days. Suppose if you want to go for the, see same things here, we will go to the Department of Computer Science. So here I am selecting out the particular areas. The selected areas is called the content. If I will repeatedly changes it out, if the changes out the content, then it would not affect the result and it will directly affect your negative ranking. So you want to put your content regularly as it is. There may not have, you do not want to like to change if it is not required necessary things. Then next point is that pages on the sites that sells the links. So many times the pages of the website which sells this link is continuously. Site which sell links are under the continuous claim for unauthenticated actions. Some of the sites which sells products or services, providing services, so at that time these are also checked by the users. Other ranking factors which directly or indirectly affect the ranking factors. Basic factors which affect the ranking were covered in the previous section. Other important factors which affect the ranking can be given as rate of acquisition of links. It is related to the incoming links up to the site. If the links to the site start increasing, it is providing a signal for positive signal for site, and if opposite happens, then we can assume that site's content is less attractive. So in your website, another website is providing your website's link, then it will impact the positive impact, because in your website your content is good quality, you are putting something news. In simple terminology, we can say in social media you are sharing some things. If you like the videos, if you like the images, you will share of another person's content. So at that time, this content is getting a good quality. They have a good quality. They have some things new. They have some qualities. So that's why you are sharing. When you sharing these things at that time, it is for positive signals of that user. And if your content does not share by any other person or any other people, at that time it will opposite of your websites. It will impact the negative or doesn't perform any things, not positive, not negative, in neutron. So these things is happen. Increase or decrease in number of links would be appropriate. It should not increase or decrease repeatedly. Important things to consider is now the new links coming to the site. So increasing or decreasing is not affecting, but you want to know the new link is coming to the site so that you will get the better result. User can store their own information such as their location, language used while creating a profile, previous search performance, and many other things using the personalization. If you are using in social media or any place, you can in a website also you can providing this type of information, location, language, creating your profiles, previous search was performed by many other things. You can check it out by the analyzing the ranking factors. User data you will got from the different user from the if you have domain level accesses, you can view these details. Search engine would use personalization to show your result. Search engine is also providing these type of facilities to personalize your result. The process of showing the result based on the recent search done by the user is known as an adaptive search. So search engine is providing a personalized result, and this process which recently searched by the user is known as adaptive search. Personalization can be stopped by log out of the browser account. In Google, we can stop personalization by clicking on the disable customization based on search history option. You can customize your personalization, stop your personalization. If you do not require, you can go to the history page option and disable the customization, then it will not display the customized link to the user or customization. On search query, personalization can be prevented by appending PWS is equal 0 to the end of the search page URL and by again reloading the page. Whenever you are searching on a page, at that time at the end of the page you are providing end person PWS is equal 0 at the end of the URL page, then it again reloading the pages. Then it's use a Google Sandbox. So what is called the Sandbox? So Google Sandbox is a new techniques developed by the Googles. It is a filtering a limited rate of page rankings for a new domain coming up. When the new domain, new pages is coming up, at that time it will filtering out all the pages. It also act filter of spam domains. Google Sandbox creates a scenario for getting a website by algorithm or by getting a manual review of the website. So Google ranking is also useful for the Google Sandbox. It will get the website by algorithm. If the new website is coming here, so Google is considering this website using the Google Sandbox with the help of the algorithm, and it will manually review of the website, if the website is proper, if a website is getting how many rankings. So these all the things will be considering here. So these are the factors which will directly or indirectly affect the user or particular things of the websites. So now next we will see in these lectures, the next point is that the using the advanced search techniques. So advanced search techniques, that means the different search engine has providing you an advanced search techniques, because the user have no enough time, and if they don't know how to search a particular things at that time, they are using an advanced techniques. So all the search engine may be providing this type of facilities. I know the Google, Yahoo, Bing, and so many search engine which provide this type of advanced search techniques. For performing an advanced research, diagnostic and analysis of a website, search engine provide a set of commands. Some of the basic commands can be given as search engine is providing you so many commands which can be used in your websites. So it's helpful to you. So first one is a minus keyword. It is used to remove the selected keywords from the search result. If you want some things and if you want to remove this keyword from your search result, then you can use minus keyword. For example, bank's loan would all the result of bank except that about loans. So here we will see the examples. Here I am typing the search engine name google.com, and here I am writing down banks loan. It will give this type of results. So here I will also open so that we can compare it out, both the result. So here google.com, here banks minus keyword means advanced search loans. Here what we will get? The same result. See, but somewhat maybe change. See here, HDFC Bank is there, but here HDFC Bank, here bank is there. See, loan agency is not that. That means here the HDFC Bank second, HDFC ATM is there. So here you will indicating the minus loan keyword, then it will not use a loan keyword. Here you can see the ICICI Bank.com. Here you can see personalized loan. Here loan page is also there, but here the loan page you can solo, so you can see out the loans is in bold font, but you will not get this result. So that means the keyword which you have subtracted or minus, it will not gives you an result. The second keyword is opposite of the minus keyword, is called plus keyword. It is used to add the keyword to a search result. If you are searching and you want to add one more things, then you can use it. For example, if you are searching a McDonald's in Rajkot, then we can write McDonald plus Rajkot. Both the result we will check it out on different browser so that we can understand. Here we have write down McDonald only. In second browser we have writing McDonald's plus Rajkot. Plus Rajkot. That means advanced features it's called. Here I am writing down the McDonald plus Rajkot, not anything, and searching out. See both the result. If I will click on the including the Rajkot, see McDonald's is there, but it will use a Rajkot location. See, because I have plus Rajkot, and here I have not specified the McDonald. So if you plus or add some things, then it will give this type of result. It is also used for removing stop words to the result. These keywords do not add any values to the search query. It is also removing the stop words to the result. It will not add an extra values to the search query, but later on we will see it will affect how your search result is getting. For example, we are searching a query, a tiger. Here we can error a from the search result, because it's obviously in grammatically we can say that a tiger, but in search engine, for the search engine purpose, it is doesn't consider anything. For that, it's not considering a tiger. Key parses. It is used to show the exact keyword search in output result. Keyword 1 or keyword 2. So key parses, we will see one example of the key parses so that you can understand it very well. Suppose I am only here use the google.com and I am only writing down the images. I am not specifying the image, which type of image I want. So it will display all the images or images. See here. So you have not specified. So this is called a key parses. So now the next one point is called a keyword 1 or keyword 2. So it is used to show the result of any of the keyword result in query. For example, search result or students or college. Suppose I am writing down here the keyword 1 or keyword 2. If the keyword 1 is not matched, then it will match keyword 2, then result is display. If the keyword 2 is not matched but keyword 1 is matched, then the result is display, because it says that either or. So we can see here student. If student is not matching keywords, then we have writing down the college. The college is not matched and student is matched, then it will give the result. See here, student or college, we will showing the result. So here you can see the student is there, his college is there, then it will display you an result. Students is there, college and student both are matched, then both the result you will got. So this is the things of advanced search techniques which you can considering out. So in next lectures we will see the advanced Google search operators, which are the advanced Google search operators is there. Yahoo is also providing the advanced search operators. Then also the Bing is providing the advanced search operators. So we will see all these things and combined queries. So it will useful to the user how you will got the particular links.